Hi, do you know whether your life assurance policies have been structured correctly? Has the correct premium pattern been chosen? And will you be able to afford those policies later in life? For that matter, do you have any idea how the life assurance industry works? Now, in case you're wondering, I'm sure, is insurance covers your vehicle and your house, in other words, assets. Assurance covers your life cover. So when you hear me talking about assurance, that deals with you personally. With respect to your investments, do you understand how they actually work? And more importantly, what fees are you being charged? For that matter, do you have a good understanding of investments in general? And by that I mean unit trusts, retirement annuities. Do you know what an EFT is? Do you know anything about offshore investment? Yes, no? I'm sure some of you are sophisticated investors and understand perfectly. However, many of you do not. And in fact, the majority of you land up being taken to the cleaners by unscrupulous brokers and agents because of your lack of knowledge. Now, my name is Rob Santini from Financial and Corporate Services, FCS for short. I've been a registered financial planner for the last 38 years and have now decided to create a series of instructional videos discussing various topics related to assurance, investments in general, and hopefully you're going to find them informative. And above all, hopefully it'll help you to avoid costly pitfalls. Okay? Now, in 1986, I started in the industry with Sanlam. In 1989, Financial and Corporate Services was registered. Why? Because I did not want to be tied to one single service provider. I've always felt that it is vitally important to be able to put the client's interests first, number one. Okay? And to do that, you have to be able to offer unbiased service across the board. Okay? Now, FCS specializes in various categories. So for starters, we specialize in personal life cover, all aspects thereof, i.e. your disability, severe illness, income protection, everything that has to do with covering your life and your family. That's of paramount importance. Okay. Secondly, it is to do with personal investments. All right. That's across the entire spectrum. Retirement annuities, unit trusts, exchange tracker funds, offshore investments, across the board. Okay, that we can offer you. One of my specialities is business assurance. That relates to obviously partnerships, buy and sell, contingent liability when a company takes out a loan or bond from a bank, and key man cover. And furthermore, we also do group schemes for large companies, both risk and retirement benefits. The service providers we use are PPS, Sanlam, Old Mutual, Discovery, Allan Gray, Glacier, and Old Mutual Wealth, both at local level and at international level. Okay? We do not do medical aid. Sorry, that we don't do. Can certainly give you our opinion, but we don't actually do medical aid. We can refer you to a good medical aid broker. In terms of short-term insurance, that is your vehicles, as I mentioned earlier, again, we don't really get involved with that. There I have an excellent broker that we can liaise with on your behalf. Okay. Now, please feel free to visit our website, that is fcs.co.za. Foxtrot, Charlie, Sugar.co.za, and you'll find both our company's bio as well as my personal CV there. And it also contains a lot of information in PDF format on the various subjects that we're going to discuss on the various videos that we will be presenting over a period of time. Now, the first video in the series will be an overview of how the life assurance industry works. It's really important that you understand that. Not just about your policies, but how does it actually work, and what are the pitfalls that you need to be aware of. So I hope that you will enjoy these videos which are to follow. At all times, feel free to contact me via email or cell as displayed below. Thank you for listening, and please listen to the next video.